Good morning, dear children. I hope all of you are very fine. And student, as we have already learnt about the alphabet letter sounds A to K in last video, we are going to practice few more sound in this video. Right? Are you ready? So here comes the first letter, that is L. After K, which will come L. L says L. L says L. L, L, lion. And the next letter is coming, that is M. M says M says M, mango. Now the next letter N. N says mm. N says N says nest. After this, vowel O comes and O says O. O says O. O, orange. The next letter is coming, that is P. P says P. P says P. P says P. P, parrot. Here is the next letter Q. The Q letter always comes with U. It never comes alone, right? So Q says Qua, but it is saying together. Q and U, when they are together, they say Qua. 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 Queen. Here comes R. R says R. R says R. R, rabbit. Next is S. The name of the letter is S and the sound is ship. The next letter is T. T is the name of the letter and the sound is T. 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 Top. The next one is U. U is a vowel. U says a. U says a. A, umbrella. And here comes V. V says V. V says V. Van. And W. W says V. W says V. Watch. After this, the letter is coming X. X always said X. X. Here is the Xmas tree as an example, but here is one more example. Here the word box. X in box says X properly. Box. The next letter is Y. Y says Y. Y says Y. Y, yacht. And the last letter of the alphabet is Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Z, zebra. I hope children you understand the letter sounds well, and I hope you are going to learn it and practice it with your mama, right? So till the time, we'll meet soon. Bye bye. Take care.